Bitcoin has done it again, smashing past $125,000 and setting a brand new all-time high.
Rocket.
So what's behind this record-breaking rally? Let's break down the key drivers shaping Bitcoin's next big move.
1. New all-time highs.
Bitcoin's surge past $125,000 marks one of its strongest runs in history, fueled by renewed confidence from institutional investors and massive inflows into crypto ETFs. According to Reuters and Investopedia, that momentum shows Bitcoin's growing acceptance as a mainstream financial asset. 2. ETF inflows and institutional demand. Global crypto ETFs saw a record $5.95 billion in inflows, much of it going straight into Bitcoin. Big institutions and whales are accumulating and holding long-term. This tightening supply is creating even more upward pressure on price. 3. Macro and policy tailwinds. A weakening US dollar and expectations of lower interest rates have made Bitcoin more attractive as a hedge against inflation. At the same time, favorable regulations and policy shifts, especially in the US, are boosting its legitimacy in the global financial system. 4. Risks and technical signals.
But it's not all upside.
Analysts warn of possible corrections if Bitcoin breaks below key support levels. Charts show a rising wedge that could push prices toward $88,000 to $94,000 in a downturn. Momentum remains fragile, so traders are watching closely. 5. Price forecasts and speculation. So where do experts think Bitcoin goes next? Van Eck predicts $180,000 by year-end 2025. Others expect it to consolidate between $122,000 and $130,000, depending on ETF flows. And some, like Tom Lee, still believe $200,000 is possible before 2026. What it means for business and finance. Bitcoin's rise is reshaping portfolios and strategies across the financial world. Their asset diversification. Investors now see Bitcoin as a serious hedge against inflation and currency risk. A corporate treasury. Companies are exploring BTC as a digital reserve asset. A regulation. Growing adoption means tighter oversight and higher compliance costs. A risk management. Its volatility keeps reminding traders that crypto isn't a one-way street. A ecosystem growth. On-chain activity, DeFi layers, and blockchain tech continue to strengthen Bitcoin's role in global finance. Bitcoin's new highs tell a bigger story about technology, trust, and the evolution of modern money. Because in today's economy, the line between digital innovation and financial power has never been thinner. If you found this piece of information useful, subscribe to Emexzel Smart and Green Wealth for more insights on future of finance and business.